Okay guys, welcome to this video looking at common fractions, decimals and percentages, okay? And it's 10 quick questions quiz, okay? And it's appropriate for all levels of maths, ranging from Key Stage 2 maths right the way through to GCSE Foundation Tier maths, GCSE 9 to 1 Foundation Tier maths, and GCSE Higher Tier, okay, 9 to 1 maths, okay? For that, okay, so this is question number 1. The probability of getting 2 tails when one tosses 2 coins is 1/4. What is this as a decimal? Is it A 0.4? Is it B 1.4? Is it C 4.1? Or is it D 0.25? Well, a quarter as decimal. Well, that line there actually means a division. So I do 1 divided by 4. Okay, now using bus stop, okay, method to work it out. Okay, I'm going to put 4 and then I'm going to put a couple of zeros. Okay, so 4s into 1 I cannot do. Okay, put decimal point there, carry the 1, okay, for the extra part. 4s into 10 go twice because 4 2s are 8 and the remainder is 2 because 8 to 10 is 2. Okay, I add 2. 4s into 20 go 5 times. So the answer is 0.25. Okay, but hopefully, okay, this is like a revision video. So hopefully you already knew that was equal to 0.25. But if you didn't, then 1/4 as a decimal is 0.25. So please do learn that, yeah, decimal fraction and percentage conversion. Okay, and as a percentage, if you're interested, that would obviously be 25%. Okay, question number 2. Of 10 learners, 4 said they were interested in sport. Okay, what is this as a percentage? Is it A 40%? Is it B 10%? Is it C 50%? Or is it D 25%? So 4/10 as a percentage. Now I'm going to convert the fraction into hundredths to make it a bit easier. So I'm going to multiply top and bottom by 10. So I get 40 hundredths. Okay, which is equal to 40%. So the answer is going to be 40%, which is going to be option A, guys. Question number 3. Okay, 75% of learners own a bicycle. What is this as a fraction? So 75%. The word percentage means per 100, so out of 100. So it's 75 hundredths. Okay, I've then obviously got to simplify it because, yeah, I've not got a common answer for A, B, C, or D. Okay, A is 3/4, B is 1/75, C is 75 tenths, sorry, and D is 175ths. Okay, so it can't obviously be D. Okay, it can't obviously be that one, and it can't obviously be that one. Okay, but yeah, let's obviously prove that it's going to be A. So divide top and bottom by 25, yeah, because that's the highest common factor between the two numbers. Okay, so divide top and bottom by 25. Okay, 75 divided by 25 here is equal to 3 because 25, 50, 75, so it goes in 3 times, and 100 goes in there 4 times. So the answer is going to be 3/4, which is going to be option A, guys. Question number 4. So which of the following is equivalent to 0.3? Is it A 300ths, B 3/10ths, C 1/3, or D 1/30th? Well, as a fraction, okay, so yeah, looking at my place value, this is what I call my units column, okay, and then this is what I call my tenths column here. So listen carefully. So I'm saying the word tenths, okay, not tens, tenths. So tenths means it's going to be out of 10, and the number on the top will just be the number 3. Okay, so the answer is going to be 3/10. Okay, so that's how to write a decimal as a fraction. Okay, hopefully it makes sense. Okay, so you're looking at the place value or place values here. Okay. Question number 5. Sam was trying to find 75% of the price of a pair of trainers. On a calculator, 70% could be as a decimal, part A 7.0, B 70.0, C 0.07, or D 0.7. So a percentage to a decimal, I would actually divide it by 100. Okay, so I would divide it by 100. Okay, so divided by 10, I get 7. So you knock off 1 0. Divided by 10 again, and I get 0.7. Okay, or 0.70. Okay, so that's going to be option D, guys. Okay, a percentage to a decimal, I divide by 100, guys. Okay, that, okay? So in this context here, sorry that I'm going a bit off topic here, okay, if it says 70% off, that means you're only paying 30% of the original amount, okay? So whatever that total amount is, you'll be paying 30% of the total amount, if that makes sense, okay? Because obviously percentage adds up to 100%, yeah, obviously being 1. Okay, question number 6. Which of the following is equivalent to 0.8, okay, as a percentage? Okay, so I'm going to multiply by 100. So a decimal to a percentage, I'll multiply by 100. Okay, if it helps, I can write it as 0.80 if that helps. Decimal point moves 2 places to the right, so it will appear there. So the answer will just be 80%, okay, or 80.0%, okay, which is same as saying 80%, okay, for that, okay. That's going to be option C, guys. Question number 7. In order of size, smallest first, which is correct for 0.3, 2/5, and 25%? Okay, so is it A, this one, B, this one, C, this one, or D, this one? Okay, so think of it as like the same conversion. So that will actually equal to 0.4 as a decimal. Okay, hopefully you're happy with that, because 1/5 equals 0.2, so you double 0.2 and I get 0.4. That's actually equal to 0.25. And now, because they're all in decimals, okay, I can compare my place values. So I've got a 3 there, I've got a 4 there, I've got a 2 there. So that has to be the smallest. So it has to be this one first. Okay, then this one, then this one. Okay, so follow it in order. So 25%, 0.3, and 2/5. So that'll be option D, guys. Okay, 2/5, yeah, just means 2 divided by 5. Okay, and that will give you an answer of a decimal. So yeah, 2 divided by 5 is equal to 0.4. Okay. Question number 8. What fraction of the shape is shaded as a fraction in its simplest form? Is it A, 16/20? Is it B, 4/20? Is it C, 8/10? Is it D, 4/5? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So it's 16 out of a total of 17, 18, 19, 20. So it's going to be 16/20. They're both even, so I can half it. Okay, half top, half bottom, so I get 8/10. Half it again because they're both even, and I get 4/5. Okay, that will be option D, guys. Yeah, so it's asking for the fraction in its simplest form. This is all to do with knowing your highest common factors or highest common factor of a number. Of course, I could have just divided 16/20 top and bottom by 4. Okay, yeah, in one go. But I'm trying to obviously break it down actually to like make it a bit easier for like you guys obviously working out. Okay, but 16/20 is what I call an equivalent fraction. Okay, to 8/10 and 4/5. Okay, they all represent the same amount, okay, or same quantity. Okay, this is what I call the word equivalent fractions. So equivalent fraction just means the same sized fraction, same size fractions. Okay, question number 9. What percentage of this shape is not shaded? So is it A, 4%, B, 20%, C, 40%, D, 80%? So again, it's going to be, so obviously not shaded, but 1, 2, 3, 4 is actually 4/20. Okay, because it's same as, okay, so if I multiply top and bottom by 5 to change it into hundredths, okay, times that by 5 and times the top by 5, 4 times 5 is 20, so I get 20 hundredths. Now a percentage means out of 100, so per 100, so that'll be 20%. Okay. Question number 10. A squash bottle normally holds 1 litre. When on special offer, it holds 1.2 litres. What is the percentage increase? Is it A, 2%, B, 25%, C, 10%, or D, 10%? Okay, so I've got to work out like the actual difference here. So it's a percentage change. So the difference between 1.2 litres minus 1 over 1, and then I'm going to multiply that by 100. Okay,